I stay, I hope and pray that you feel the same, that this isn't a game. Talk at the bar, you tell me just how far you've come since we met. You kept your word, you worked so hard, girl. Hear about your day, the office and what they say, the overtime and hours, your special powers. Drive me home, but it's not my home, it's a hotel bed. Now there's something you said about ifs and ands and holding hands with me, but I don't count. Well, I'm happy I don't count. I look at you once more and I reach for the door, but I don't wanna leave, 'cause you're all I believe in. Just for tonight, we live the good life. Yeah, just for